Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Chris. I am a husband, a father of 3, and a small business owner. I'm giving you reviews about stuff that I actually use almost on a daily basis, stuff that I would really recommend, and stuff that I think you should get. Today, we are going to be reviewing my external hard drive. Now, I like to get it right every time I say it. So this is the Toshiba Canvio Basics 1 terabyte portable external hard drive. Here you go. Let's take a good look at it. It is the most amazing thing to look at in life. It's a little box that comes with a wire, two-ended. This part goes into here, bang, and this part goes into your computer. It's not really fun to look at, and it's not exciting to really see. So let me make this video to the point. Why should you get one? The price. For a terabyte external hard drive, this thing is less than $50, all right? Amazing. It stores everything on. Let me tell you what I store on mine. I put all of my Adobe apps onto my external hard drive. 1 is a backup, but 2 to save room on multiple computers that I use. And so I can always have my Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, all them stuffs with me on this. This thing will stick in your pocket. This thing will go in your bag. I can pull it out and work on stuff immediately. And I save all of my work both to the computer, my main computer, but also to my external hard drive. So that I always have my work with me as well. What positives does this create? For me, I can be on the go permanently, working remotely, and still being able to do my job. It helps me a lot. If I relied strictly on carrying my MacBook or my iPad around, eventually I would run out of storage, as this will, but this will run out of storage a lot longer. I make YouTube videos, I do a lot of Photoshop work, a lot of Illustrator, a lot of graphic design, all that stuff. The external hard drive is a lifesaver. It allows my computer not to slow down. It leaves a lot of room for anything I actually need to use on my computer. And mainly, it's just the convenience of that it plugs in and goes. Now, based on the computer you have, you might have to set up a few settings the first time you use it. But after that, it's on the screen, you click it, you open your work, and you're good to go. If you've got a lot of music, make a lot of videos, and make a lot of graphic design, or anything that is animated or takes a lot of power or storage, don't put it on your computer. Go get yourself an external hard drive. Did I just zoom in and out? There we go. I couldn't recommend this. I've had no issues, no like fail safes or spinny wheels or anything like that. It works. It's fantastic. It does the job. It's boring to look at. I should probably draw something here or put a sticker. That's a good idea. Maybe I'll put a sticker here afterwards. Next time you see this, it'll have a sticker on. But for less than 50, I got it just to try it, if I'm honest, because I have lots of hard drives, and this one I saw on Amazon. I was like, is it really gonna work for $50? It's $47.99. Yes, it works. It does everything that you need it to do if you're just looking for something to portably store. Like all the videos I make for YouTube on here, and let me plug it in. I just plugged it in, and it just showed up on the screen. That's how easy it is. All right, I would recommend a lot of different hard drives, but literally for the price of this, less than $50, it's awesome. I highly recommend it. Let me know if you've got an external hard drive and which ones you think should be used more for graphic design. But if it's just storage, portability, and sticking it in your pocket, open it up on any computer, and having all the Adobe stuff already saved onto the hard drive and all of my work on it, man, any computer, anywhere, anytime I can work. It's amazing. I hope you're liking this channel. If you do want to learn more about it, click the link below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I'll get a kickback if you buy something through the link, anything through the link, but it won't affect the price for you. So if you do that, awesome, really appreciate it. But what I would really like to ask you, if you can like this video, subscribe, all that good stuff, share it with other people that might be interested in this product. I'd really appreciate that. I'm trying to get better at this. If there's any advice that you could give me on making the videos, the reviews, what you want to see me review, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. See you later.